Now let's continue working with the revolve command, but make it a little more complicated piece. We'll start a new drawing. I'll turn off the icons I don't use, leaving on polar tracking set to 45 and O-snap set to those 5. Let's use regular lines. We're in the 3D modeling workspace. Again, you can change your workspace from this little gear drop down or the fly out menu on the status bar. Let's just use a regular line and draw a vertical axis. We'll make the profile using curves from trimmed circles. So let's make some circles here. Any old size. Maybe fillet. Let's see, what's the radius? See, the radius is about there. So we'll fillet, say, between these circles. Fillet again. Something like that. Maybe draw another line from the end of the axis up to a shift right click tangent point to this bottom circle, and a similar one to the tangent of the top circle. Hold the shift button down, right click, pick tangent for the one use only O-snap override. And now we just got to trim away all the pieces of the circles we don't want to use. Launch the trim icon or command, hit enter so that everything is a trimming edge, and just trim away the junk that doesn't form your profile. I'll erase this leftover stuff with a regular window. Now we need to weld this into a closed polyline. I have been saying use p-edit with the join option, but the join command or icon here is a step or two faster for simply welding lines and arcs together into a closed polyline. So click on join, select everything, hit enter, and there you've now got the closed polyline. Let's launch the revolve icon. Select our profile for what we want to revolve, hit enter. Specify your start and stop points and hit enter for the 360 default. Let's spin it around and look at it. Change the visual styles to get a better view. X-ray, realistic, spin it around. So there you get a little bit more organic shape with arcs and fillet and tangent lines. That's about enough for your second use of the revolve command. See you next video.